So, dear student, welcome to digestive system. Today I will take your digestive system. Okay, class आगु पढ़ाई कि नहीं जस्ट yes or no बोली कह. Okay, हमें digestive system पढ़ा है कि. Okay, whether digestive system has taught or not. Okay, then we'll continue the digestive system. Okay. Okay, so let's come back to there are 11 system. There are 11 system in the body. Okay, out of that, the digestive system is one of them. This system plays an important role in the body. Okay, look here. This one is the total complete digestive system. Okay, one you will get the mouth. Number 2 you will get the esophagus. Number 3 you will get the stomach. Number 4 you will get the small intestine. And number 5 you will get the large intestine. In this way, you will get on the other hand, you will get the salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, okay, pancreas and appendix. Okay, these are some of the accessory organs. They play an important role during the time of digestion. Mean their importance in the digestive system has many more role. Okay, let's pay point on that. Okay, बर्तमान आमे डिस्कशन करिवा रिलेटिंग टू द digestive system. So digestive, what is digestive system? The digestive system is used for breaking down the food into nutrients. Okay, breaking down into food into nutrients. When whatever the food we are taken from outside, that is complex in nature. That is complex in nature. Are you getting this point? Okay, that food will be break into smaller food particles. That means the complex food material will be divided into smaller particles. Okay, food into nutrients which can possess into circulatory system and taken into where they are needed in the body. Whatever the food we are taking from outside, that is rich in carbohydrate, fat and protein, or vitamins and minerals. Okay, that means that food will be in the complex form. When that food will be broken down, when break down into carbohydrate, food and protein and other nutrients. At the same time, these carbohydrate food will give you glucose, the protein food will give you amino acid, that fat food will give you fatty acid and triglyceride. Okay, likewise other vitamin and mineral, they will also help in the metabolism of the body. Okay, in our body, each cell and each tissue, they will require energy for their survival. That food material that will provide nutrients to that different body tissue and different cells of the body. That's why digestive system is important for all. Okay, whatever the nutrients, whatever the substance that will travel to the tissue or cell through blood, that's why circulatory system also plays an important role. Okay, let's come back to. Okay, you look here. This one the complete digestive system. It will start from mouth, then salivary gland, esophagus, stomach, pancreas. Okay, in this way rectum. On the other hand, you will get the colon, small intestine, duodenum, gallbladder and liver. Okay, next come back to function of the digestive system. Ingest food mean intake. Ingest food means what? Intake. Break down food into nutrients molecule. Okay, carbohydrate, protein, fat. These are some of the nutrients molecule when the food will be break down. Okay, absorb molecules into bloodstream. Absorb molecules into bloodstream. When the food will be break down in the body, in the small intestine, large intestine, that food will be absorbed in the bloodstream and that will travel throughout the body. Okay, read the body of the indigestible rim. remain. अरे के साउंड बंद करिनो हरिप्रिया महाकोड साउंड म्यूट करो मधुस्मिता नायक you also sound mute your sound. Okay now. So in this way read the body of indigestible nutrients remain. That means this is the properties of the digestive system. The indigestible substance will be remain in the GI tract. Those who are digested they will easily come to outside. And those who are indigestible, those who are unable to digest in the body, they are remain in the active form. For the digestion of that particular inactive form of that particular food material will be digested by the enzymes and the hormone that is secreted from the GI tract. Let us come back to introduction related to the another some brief introduction of the digestive system. There are 4 stages to food processing. Ingestion have already to intake of or taking in food. Digestion means breaking down food into nutrients. Another one is absorption, taking the nutrients by cells. I have already told you. Ingestion, egestion. The first one is the ingestion and last one is the egestion, removal. Or the fecal material will come to outside, or the undigested food particle, or the already digested or waste material that will come to outside. HS stool. That is known as egestion. Let's come back to mouth. Teeth mechanically break down the food into small pieces. Tongue mixes food with saliva, contain mucilage which helps break down the starch. Whatever the food we have taken from the outside, the mouth has a property to masticate that food. Mastication, चुबाई खाइबा. सेतरी के चुबाई को हेल्प करूची teeth करूची ताने. Upper जरे हमें teeth देखिबा को lower teeth, lower जरे we are also getting that teeth. माने 2 1 2 3 by 2 1 2 3. ता माने डेंटल फॉर्मूला को हाजे ताकू. ऊपरे हमें सुलहड़ा पाइबा, तले हमें सुलहड़ा पाइबा. जो मानकर ऑलरेडी 25 वर्ष कंप्लीट कलेनी. जार ज्ञान दांत मैंने गला छामु दांत ज्ञान दांत आम कह से ही क्षेत्र कौन हो मैं जहाँ भी खाऊ मांस खाइला कि माछ खाइला कि भात खाओ कि रोटी खाओ कि जहाँ भी तुम सब्जी खाओ ऑलवेज दैट विल बी मास्टिकेटेड बाय द माउथ विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द टीथ अपर जॉइंट लोअर टो आम देखि पाइबा आम टीथ जिते डिस्कसन करवा विल गेट द इनसिजर केनाइन प्रीमोलार मोलार 2 1 2 3 बट 1 3 into 2 कले आमे 32 numbers of teeth will get but आमे जेतले आमे milk teeth अछि गुटे milk teeth पाइबा ना गुटे deciduous teeth आमे पाइबा आमे will go through in detail. So this one is the mouth movement. My details I have already told you regarding the teeth. Let's come to epiglottis is a flap-like structure that is the back of the throat that closes over the trachea preventing food from entering in. What happens here? Suppose we are taking food at the same time the trachea will be closed by the epiglottis. If we will not taking any kind of food at the same time, that will cover the esophagus. That kind of property will be done by the epiglottis. Are you getting this one? Mane कौन कहबा हमें जो दिस इज जस्ट लाइक ए ट्रैफिक माने if left right मन कर चारि आडू आसुची आगो माने फॉरवर्ड आसुची बैकवर्ड आसुची लेफ्ट रे आसुची राइट रे एका सारी तो समस्त को छाड़ी पारिबा नै then there will be polite between each and every individual. That's why it is important to pass the thing माने जो thing टा वर्तमान important अछि we have to pass that thing first माने priority basis we have to give ए क्षेत्र भी सेमितिका होउची ता माने next come back to parts of the digestion or digestive system उनमें से first ना teeth कौन करबो grinds your food मैं जहाँ मैं खाऊ छु सब से ग्राइंडिंग करिवो सालिवारी ग्लैंड रो काम कोन से प्रोड्यूस करिवो सालाइवा जोथि हमें एंजाइम हम सालिवारी एमाइलेज एंजाइम देखिबो जोड़ा कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट डाइजेशन रे ताउने हेल्प करे आउडेला टंग हेल्प्स टू पुश फूड इनटू योर इसोफेगस टंग रो काम कोन जदि जीव न थांता कोन होंता जो हमें खाद्य खाऊ छु पछो को हमें पसई पारंता नहीं माने दैट विल नॉट गो टू बैकवर्ड that will remain in the vocal cavity that will remain in the mouth cavity isn't it that's why tongue is very much important man whatever I am telling you whatever you people are telling with your friend whatever you are talking with your friend man everything will be depend on the that tongue ଆମେ ପଢିବା tongue ର importance ଟା କଣ ଅଛି okay let's come back to this one the teeth four types of teeth we will see okay first I have already told you canine okay canine ମାନେ କଣ ଏଇଟା କୁ ସାନ ଦାନ୍ତ କୁହାଯାଏ okay ମାଂସ ଖାଇଲା ବେଲେ ଏଇଟା ମାନେ whenever you will take meat these two canine and lower teeth रे ଆମେ lower jaw रे will also get another two canine okay ମାନେ upper canine and lower canine upper jaw canine and lower jaw canine ମାନେ they will help in the tearing of the what meat fish ଯାହା ବି ତମେ ଖାଉଛ okay ତାପରେ incisor front ରେ ଦୁଇଟା ଦାନ୍ତ ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଖିବା these are known as incisor premolar देखो here that already diagram has already shown you another one is the molar okay so incisor canine premolar another one is the molars okay देखो here you have to canine grasping and tearing okay canine केनी माने साना दांत को में कहा है आपको तो पता होगा डॉग के बारे में डॉग का उसका जूलॉजिकल नेम क्या है कैनिस फेमिलियारिस बोली कहा है फ्रॉम दैट कैनिस वी आर गेटिंग दैट कैनाइन and in Oriya it is called swano danto incisor biting and cutting माने कट काट काटी की ता माने खाई दबो जोड़ा वर्तमान से टियरिंग कला फाड़ी नेला वर्तमान तांको बाइट करी कटिंग करी खाई नेबा ओके आ गुटे ग्राइंडिंग आ गुटे क्रशिंग ग्राइंडर जेमिति पके देला पर सब मिक्स अप पूरा करी नै एथरे भी सेरे चोबई के पूरा चोबई के खाइबो भात को किमा डायरेक्ट मटन को मेटन दाल दिया गला तुमको डायरेक्ट तुम गिली नेलो माने डायरेक्ट तुम ताकू स्वालोइंग करिनो करि परिबो डायरेक्ट बॉड ता माने गुटे पीस टी दे दिया गला वेदर यू कैन swallow that piece you can't swallow that particular piece of that mutton or that chicken or that whatever the okay non veg item okay that is not possible that's why binding cutting grinding and crossing and grasping and tearing these are the functions that will needed the tongue is not only one muscle it is a group of muscle and it is also what we use to taste food with okay hame jedi hame tongue ro katha discussion kuru chu ये one muscle नहीं it is a group of muscle for what purpose the tongue will important taste हमको पीता लागिबो bitter okay sweet okay sour खट्टा लागिबो another one the salty माने these are the four taste will get the tongue if you have any extra taste then you may tell me I want to know okay beside these four taste board if you know any other taste board तमे यदि मीठा खट्टा पीता ओके आउ लुनिया ई चारटा को तमे यदि छाड़ी की आउ किसी तमे टेस्ट जो जानि पारु छ यू मे टेल मी ओके अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आई विल पब्लिश ए रिसर्च पेपर बुझि पालो ई चारटा त माने हम टेस्ट साधारणतः जानि था ओके एब्सेंट ऑफ टेस्ट इज नोन एजीयूसिया बोली कहै ओके एजीयूसिया माने जण को टोटली टेस्ट लागि नै वर्तमान वी पीपल नो दैट द एजीयूसिया और लॉस्ट ऑफ taste board or taste in the mouth lead to a condition known as ageusia now that cases are seen in the that cases are all that seen are also seen in the covid patient covid-19 patient भी हमें देखिबा को पाइबा बोल okay next come back to can you really swallow your tongue okay explain no you can't the reason is because of the thin layer of tissue that connect your tongue to the bottom of your mouth called as frenulum your tongue is also attached to the front and side of the pharynx okay आमे हमरो ता माने टंग टा को निजे स्वालो करी भीतर को पोसे दिकरे बाहर आनी पकेबा की निजरो जो हमर स्टमक रे जो भी खाना हम खाए हैं उसको ले ला सकते हैं क्या नहीं ला सकते बिकॉज़ फ्रेनुलम जीभ को तलेर देखबा गुडे लागी छि गुडे ता माने मसल लेयर टे अछि ताको फ्रेनुलम बोली को okay next come back to anatomy of the tongue okay look here this one is the epiglottis okay you will get the palatopharyngeal arch बोली कहा जेटा you will get the palatine tonsil lingual tonsil okay these are the different tonsils we will see here okay sulcal terminalis okay dorsum of the okay tongue इटा हला विभिन्न प्रकार रो test board. We are getting here. These are the different types of test board. Okay, next test. I have already told you the tongue can detect 5 basic tastes: bitter, salt, sour, sweet, umami. Okay, taste may be described by association with a particular food: meaty, minty, fruity. The intensity can also be recorded: mild or strong cheddar. Okay, what is umami? Umami is a savory toast, often known as fifth taste. It is also a subtle taste and blends well with other tastes. It was discovered by Dr. Kikumi Ikeda from Tokyo Imperial University, Japan in 1908. He understood research into dashi, a traditional Japanese stock made from kambu. Umami has its own distinct savory taste, often associated with ripe tomatoes and cheesy. Whenever we'll take the ripe tomatoes and cheesy, in that cases we'll get the umami, another taste bud, isn't it? अरे किए साउंड को ऑन करिछ आकांक्षा रे ओके म्यूट योर साउंड देखो when you look at your tongue in the mirror you can see raised area or bumps what are these areas are called okay देखो एठारे हमें देखिबा को पाइबा okay some of the thing माने here you will get the some of the raised structures you will get okay that is known as papillae filiform papilla fusiform papilla okay name and describe the different types of papillae. Okay, there are three different types of papillae. One is fungiform, which are the largest one located in front of the tongue. Okay, tongue ram front रे ही पाइबा ताको हम fusiform papillae बोली. Okay, next again we'll continue. Another the velvet. Okay, maname filiform which are the smaller ones in the front. Velvet which are the large ones in the back. There are only 8 to 10 of these. Okay, so these are the different three types of papillae. Next come back to papillae have two purposes. Describe them. There is a question answer pore. The purpose of the papillae is to grip the food and with the taste bud they contain. They also taste the food. Okay, the file here you will get the sour, bitter, salty, sweety. Okay, देखो इटा गोटे झीर डायग्राम टा यू विल लुक हियर ओके तेणुक इटा लगा बुझीगला देख इटा ये फ्रंट पार्ट आम कहूँ माने कौन कहला फ्यूजी माने फिलिफॉर्म फ्यूजिफॉर्म आ गोटे है सर्कमभैलेट पापिले वी आर गेटिंग थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ पापिले फ्रंट है यू विल गेट द फिलिफॉर्म फ्यूजिफॉर्म अनदर सर्कमभैलेट पापिले there are three types of papillae. What is the difference in the structure between a younger person tongue and older person tongue? How does this affect the sense of taste? A younger person has more taste bud than an older person, about 2 times as much. Okay, जो taste bud टा बेसी ता माने छाम माने बेसी थिबो ता younger लोक मानकर बेसी थिबो compared to okay older one. The reason for this is the because as a person gets older, the taste cells do not get replaced like they do when you are younger. Okay, next come back to okay, it है तुम देखी नियो. So you can actually see taste bud with the naked eye. Explain? No, we can't see that taste bud. Okay, only we'll sell it in the front part, in the lateral part, in the posterior, in the anterior, in the posterior, in the lateral. Okay, or anterior posterior or anterolateral. You must like that. Okay. नहीं वाला एक्चुअली बैंक चला गया थोड़ा पैसा लाने के लिए यहाँ हाँ अरे 10 मिनट ओके next come back to the pharynx the tongue pushes food around until it forms a ball called as bolus the bolus is passed into the pharynx throat and the epiglottis makes sure bolus passes into the esophagus not down the windpipe mane whenever we'll take the food okay at the same time our food will be formed into a structural ball structure known as bolus that bolus will go to the stomach through the esophagus in that case the epiglottis does not allow the bolus into the trachea it allows the food to enter into the esophagus in it next come back to another structure okay function of saliva saliva helps prevent the deteriorative process in the mouth in several ways it moistens the food it begins the digestion it adjusts the appetite the flow of saliva helps wash out pathogenic bacteria okay the esophagus the muscular tube through his food passes from the mouth to the stomach okay जो ता माने प्रोसेस रे हम माउथ ରୁ स्टोमक को फूड जाए जो ଗୋଟେ ट्यूब होची दैट इज नोन एज esophagus okay as you chew your tongue helps move your food into a mass called a bolus that then get pushed to the back of your mouth when you swallow the bolus enters the top of the esophagus the opening of the esophagus lies next to the opening of your windpipe to prevent food from going down the wrong tube. The opening of the your trachea is closed by the epiglottis when you swallow. जेतले तुम swallow करजो से टाइम रे तुमर esophagus को जीवो से टाइम रे windpipe ता बंद रखो जेतले तुम निश्वास प्रश्वास नउचो when if people are exhaling and inhaling at the same time that will close the esophagus. Okay. ताहले हम काली कंटिन्यू करबा tomorrow again we will continue the class. Okay. Today I will give you the detailed notes of the digestive system, isn't it? Okay, thank you very much.